Hey there, it's Brittany, and the other day I partook in some retail therapy and bought 7 pounds of beads on eBay from one of my favorite sellers, so I thought I'd show you what I got. The thing that really drew my eye, because the other thing I had in my favorites for like months, but these I hadn't seen before, so I was like, I gotta get them before they sell out. I don't know if they're even in danger of selling out, but this is 2 pounds of these mixed color beads, but they have evil eyes on them, and you know I'm obsessed. So there are 4 different colors in here. We have the green, we have red. These are so cool, and they just work so well with pretty much all of my ethnic beads: Indonesian, Indian, African, Java. They all go really well with this stuff. This like cobalt and cerulean blue. At least this is what I call cerulean blue. So I was super excited. It's a huge bag. Same seller that my mom bought me stuff for my birthday from last year. And then the other 5 pounds was one big set, and I'll show you that. So I'd been, can't even like fit all of it on the screen. I'd been debating these because they're almost like imitation African beads, which I hate to say that because they don't, like, some of them kind of look like African, but they're definitely their own thing. They're from India. And it's 5 pounds. And after I bought them, I kind of had a little bit of buyer's remorse because I just wasn't sure. Oh no, one of the strands broke and they're all over the floor. Because I just wasn't sure that they were going to show up and be as cool as I wanted them to be. But I actually haven't even opened them all the way, and I'm so impressed, and I'm so excited that I bought them. So all the beads are different, which is going to just result in so many cool projects, because you can just, like, I don't know if I'm going to just put them in like a big jar, or I think I'm going to keep them on the strand because they're easier to like go through and look at while they're on the strand. If I put them in a jar, I'm never going to use them. I know that. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to go through each strand, but not like in super detail, I don't think, unless I get obsessed. So let's see what we got here. I'm loving these. These look like kind of like a fun house almost. This one is really cute. They're glass. I think they're mostly glass. I think they're all glass, actually. And these are kind of dirty, so I'm going to wash these. If you're interested in learning how to wash beads, check out, I don't know if I did a bead washing video, but I did a bead, like a pendant cleaning video, but I have one on my channel. So I love like this one right here is like, looks like it has confetti in it. We have some Millefiori beads. They're just so cool. Like this one looks very like 60s, 70s ish. Oh, I love them. All right, so I'm just going to go through them and then I point out the ones that I'm like super in love with. This one definitely looks like African, but it's from India. These are all cool. I can just see like some of these being filler, some of these being focals. This one's a cool shape. I'm actually going to go wash these right after this video. This one is so cool. That one caught my eye when I looked through the bag. I didn't even pull these out of the bag earlier. I just like looked through the actual bag itself. This one's really neat. This one's pretty cool. I love that little flower. All right, so that was one strand. My gosh, there's like so many. And then I have a whole nother set. Oh, this is the strand that broke. So I'll have to just tie it back together. Then I have a whole nother, like here's a set of beads, and then I have a whole nother set of beads in that bag. This one's pretty cool. Let's see, where else did we go here? I think there's like 10, maybe 10 strands, like these really, really long strands. Maybe less, who knows? Okay, so here is the one that was cut or broken. I'll have to string these back on. But we have more of the stripy ones. And some of these, if I don't like them, like this one, I could just use this as a filler bead in some other design, or I can just paint it. Look at this one. That's cool. It's got some shimmery on it. I like the black little chunks. That's pretty cool. Very tribal. Love this like yellow one. That would look good with some mukai, I think. I like this one. And then where's the rest of that broken strand? Here we go. Look at this heart. I can't believe it. It's so cool. That definitely is a focal. This is like my favorite thing to do ever. Is just play and look at new beads. Okay, so here's a different strand. I love this like little teardrop one. It is broken, but that's okay. Look at that one. I love this one. It's so cool. I might sort these. I don't know, because there seems to be like a theme. Like some of them are Millefiori, some of them look like this. Maybe I'll do like a whole like bracelet or necklace that just has these on it, or play around those. Oh, look at this one. Looks like pottery. Oh, look at the peachy pink one. That's so cool. Now that makes me want to make some polymer clay beads that look like that, because you can get translucent clay and make it pink and then put some granules on the outside. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at this Millefiori one in white and green. So fun. This is my favorite thing. Okay, that's another strand. Okay, so here's another one. Oh, look how fancy this one is with the purple, I'm sorry, the blue and the green and the red. That almost looks like a parrot. You have to squint, but it looks like a parrot. I love the squiggles on here. I love that these are hand painted. Some of the shapes are so awesome. I think some of these might be actually ceramic and not just glass. Ooh, this one's pretty cool. Oh, I like this one. And then look, we have a little flower. Oh, yeah, this twine, for as strong as it looks, has been through it. That's a pretty cool bead. And then we have some, I like the black and white ones. These two match. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun going through all these and like seeing what matches and what I can do with what. And then we have this one. So that was strand 3. Actually, that was strand 4 because we had the broken one. Here's strand 5. Oh, look at this one. It's got 2 different types of flowers on it. A little tiny one. This one's got hand-painted flowers. Ugh, love that. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love these Millefiori beads. Oh, look at that. It's like a sea glass. This one looks like a little earth. Love these 2 black and white beads. This is so much fun. I think I don't know, like, I don't know if I want to keep them on the strand. I think I'm going to have to separate them by type just to make it more fun. I know, I'm ridiculous. And I looked at that one. Did I look at this one? No. No, so there's 6 in this bag. Oh, look, when that one has like tiny faces on it. So cute. I love this. Oh, look at that one. It's not a chevron bead at all, but it looks kind of reminiscent of a chevron bead. Oh, more faces on this one. Oh, more faces on that one. A little flower. Oh, I love this. These teardrop beads are so cool. I just think they're little pieces of art. Each one has like its own little story. Like this one's just a flower. I like the stripes on that one. Okay, so there were 6 strands in that bag. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest out. Okay, next, another one of these. Oh, that one's pretty cool. Looks like an eyeball almost. Some more with some flowers. Oh, loving this big yellow bead. Love that. I think I'll make that a focal on a bracelet. Big orange and white one is so cool. Oh, I love that one too. Another one of these peachy white ones, although it's broken here. So I'd probably, you know, that would be scratchy on me, but I can fill that with acrylic or epoxy or resin and cure it and it'll be fine. Oh, wow, that one's cool. This big blue bead is so awesome. Does that go well with the yellow one? I think it does. Oh, I love these hearts. Oh, wow. Look at this one with the stripes. Very cool. Lots of these Millefiori beads. Strand 2 from the second bundle. More stripies. Oh, wow. Look at the pattern on this one. It's got lots of flowers. That's beautiful. Ah, these are so gorgeous. I know some of you are like, these are ugly, but I really like every single one of these beads. And in the right projects, they're going to look fantastic. These are so cool. Oh, wow. Love that one. Does this have carrots on it? It looks like carrots almost. Oh, I love the shape too. It's like flat on the sides but rounded. Oh, that's a really pretty Millefiori bead. More Millefiori, some more painted. That one's pretty cool. Love those. Strand 3. Beautiful green Millefiori beads. Purple, red. Look at this big guy with all these faces. That is a cool bead. And I love this big yellow one right next to it. This orange one's really cool. Aw, pretty flower. Stripies. Oh, wow, look at this one. This looks like a piece of pottery again. That is a neat bead. This is so much fun. Oh, another bead has gone under the couch. These are really sweet. Wow, that one's gorgeous. Another one that looks like that. Oh, wow, this one looks like a vase or like stone or something. But it's definitely glass. Beautiful. Strand 4. Let's see. Oh, wow, this one's brown and blue. That looks cool. Another one with faces. These are gorgeous. I love these big, like, solid color beads. Oh, this is cool, along with that one. More nice stripies. I can't wait to sort all these. Unfortunately, I don't have any of my sorting trays here in this apartment, or else I would do it on camera, but I'm going to wash all of these and then maybe sort them and then maybe do some jewelry with it. This one's really cool. Another one of these big solid beads. More stripies. Look at this one. And it's half gold. That is cool. That is really neat. And 5. More that look like planters or porcelain or tribal painted things. This one's really cool. Oh, I love this one. It's almost like a terracotta orange. More Millefiori. And the funny thing is, they're not all the same. Like, we have some that have red, blue, and green. Some that are just blue. Some that are just green. I'm loving it. This one's really pretty. A lot of these remind me of things that you can do with polymer clay, too. Beautiful. Oh, that's a big one. That is so cool. Oh, oh, we've got another break in the twine. Goodness. At least none of these fell off the floor onto the floor. Oh, more of these really big single color ones. And this one's pretty cool too. Look at that. Very fun. Last but not least, the 12th strand out of all the beads. That's a lot of strands. This brown one's pretty cool. These are also neat. Wow, look at that one. So interesting. Love this shape. Oh, this blue is pretty. That one's pretty. Oh, this one's a cool shape too. It's just turquoise. We have another one of these. And then there we go. This one's pretty cool too. I am pleased as punch with this entire haul. I can't believe how cool these beads are. I'm going to wash them all and then stay tuned. Okay, we are in a completely different year from when I actually started filming this. I did end up sorting everything out, and I kind of kept them out of my bead stash because I knew I had to finish this video. I'm not going to do any making in this video with these beads today, but hopefully at some point I will. There were tons of these Millefiori beads. I think these were the most that, piled up together. It's just a really fun collection of beads to have. And then like I put all the black and white striped ones together, and then all of these like little, they're not stone, but they look kind of like stone. So I ended up getting quite a bunch of different beads sorted. I just didn't, I don't have them all in this video, but I had fun going through this. Search eBay, everybody. You're going to find some really cool stuff. Let me know what you'd like to see me make with some of this stuff. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.